Hello all. So today we are going to cover about the bitwise operator and the iterators. So for that we have something created on Kaggle, code's been created there. So what we are taking is, in this we are taking the value of x as 15 and y as 6, converting it into bits and showing you, and um, converting it into without the 0b x which is in front of it, and then showing it to you as well. So let's just very quickly go down and see the output. So this is bitwise OR, where x value is this, bitwise of 0bx is equal to 0b 4 times 1, and after replacing 0b it is 4 times 1. So this is what we have done for x, this is what we have done for y, where x is equal to 15 and y is equal to 6, and then we are doing the bitwise OR of x and y. So when we do the bitwise of both of them, the results is this one, which is 4 times 1, because 1 0 is 1, 1 1 is 1, 1 1 is 1, and 1 and 0 is again 1. So there are 4 ones. For the same number, what we are trying to do is we are trying to do an AND as well, which you can see here. And with the AND, we are getting a value of 110. So this is the number and this is the other number. When it has been mapped to all the ones, it will get the same number which it was originally there by ANDing it. So then is the exclusive OR. So we have this number and this number. The exclusive OR is that whenever there are 2 ones or 2 zeros, it gives a value of 0, and wherever it is 1 1 and 1 0, it gives you a value of 1. So it started with 1 0, so it was 1, 1 1 is 0, 1 1 is 0, and then 1 in the starting with nothing there in y, 0 is 1. So the answer is 1001. Then shifting towards the left, is just like multiplying by 2. So 15, if shifted left once, it makes it 30. If twice, it makes it 60. Similarly, x shifted to right by n bits, that means division. So if it is done by once, it is 7. It is not taking decimals into consideration. Whereas if it is divided by shifted rights twice, it is 3. So it is divisible by 4 then in that case. The bitwise of x inverted is just the opposite with the opposite sign. So this is the code that we have written. Here we are talking about, this is how we are doing the bitwise OR. So for bitwise OR we are using for bitwise OR we are using a pipe symbol. For bitwise AND we are using an ampersand symbol. And for exclusive OR we are using this caret symbol. For shifting towards left we are using the double less than symbol with the number of shifts that you want. Similarly, towards the right we are using double right greater than symbol with the number of shift that you require, and for inversion what we are doing is we are just putting in the sign in front of it, which is minus. So that is what we have in the bitwise operator. The next is iterator. For iterator we are talking about anything related to arrays, lists, tuples, string dictionaries. We can do the iteration for. So these are all the kind of collection containers, and we have a method called iterator which will give us the iterator, and next will be fetching it towards the next. So I've just taken a simple example where I've created an array of numbers from 1 to 10, and then I have created a iterator which is sums iterator, and then for each number I'm clicking on next and printing that, and it is giving me the value of each cell. If I now put in one more, I should get an error because there is no value left after this. So I get the error that there is nothing which is there. So I have to be very sure that how many times I have to place it there. So these are the two things that I wanted to cover today. So with that, I come to an end. Thank you for your time, and I think we have moved a bit forward in learning new things. Good day. Bye bye.